Hello everyone, in this video we will see the sessions in PHP. So what is session? Session is a way to store information to be used across multiple pages in a website. So these sessions are stored on the web server, unlike cookies which are stored on the user's computer, user's browser. Sessions are stored in the web server. When we log in into our Facebook account, so we can navigate through different pages uh, uh, using the same session. But when we log out, then we cannot see a single page of Facebook until we log in. So this whole process happens due to sessions. So first to come to IDE, and we will create a new file here, and we will save it as session.php. So the basic syntax of PHP. First thing about session is we have to create session. We have to start session. Start session. Now, as we have started the session, the function used to start session is start underscore session. Actually, it is a session start. Sorry. Session. This one. Session start. Now we have started the session. Now we have to make some session variable. So how to make a session variable? It is simple. We have to write this super global variable session, and in here we have to provide the name of session, like first session. First, it will be first, and its value is my first session. We have defined the session here, the session variable first, and its value is my first session. Now we will echo this first. Dollar underscore session. Dollar underscore session is a super global variable which is used which can be accessed everywhere in the project. So let's come to browser and see the result. My first session. There is no expiry date to this session until we delete this manually. So this was the how to create a session and how to retrieve the session. For example, I'm using a variable here, $s equal to this. Then I can use if s $s not equal to null. Echo session is active, else echo session is not active. So coming to the browser, we will see session is active. Now if we delete this session, now we will come here and we will provide an HTML break here. And we will destroy underscores. Actually it is a session underscore destroy. Now the session is destroyed. Now we will copy this code here and paste it here. We will see now what are the results. Coming to the browser, and session is active and session is active. In both the cases session is active. So we will see, we'll provide a name here. Actually session takes no parameters. Session destroy takes no parameters. Let us see a different function. Session underscore unset. I think this is used to destroy all the sessions. In both the cases it is showing session is active. Let me check this. S is not null. Let's try a different way here. Dollar of S is not equal to this one. The same code here. And we will session is not active. So let me remove this one and session is not active. First I will cut this very code and I will save this file. Let's change the name of this variable, new session, and save the code and come here. Session is not active. Let's echo this. my first session is not active. My first session is not, let us actually it is giving me the correct results. I was confusing with this. If session is equal to my first session, then it should show this session is active. I got confused, so I think now the concept is clear, what it is all about. Let me use a function here, session underscore destroy. We will cut this from here and paste it here, and we will copy this very code and print it here. We will provide an HTML break here. So refreshing the page, my first session is active, my first session is not active. So this is what I wanted to show you. So first we created the session here, its name is new session and its value is my first session. Then I'm taking the value of this new session into this variable s and I'm printing it. So then I'm comparing the value of this s with this string my first session, which is value here, and if it is true, then I'm just echoing the message session is active, else session is not active. Then I'm destroying the session and I'm taking the value again from this new session into s, and then what I'm doing, I'm simply comparing these two and I'm printing then session is active and session is not active based on this condition. So what we have seen on the browser, my first session is active, my first session is not active. So up to here session is active, but when we destroy the session is not active, this message is printed. So this was all about sessions in PHP. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Technophile. Thank you.